The University of Saskatchewan's virtual open house takes place on Saturday, October 23rd.
Our virtual open house is a great opportunity for you to learn about our many degree programs here.
And what the student experience here is like.
During open house, there are 3 ways that you can participate.
Live webinar about our academic programs and student services.
You can chat with students, staff, and faculty in the many booths at the virtual information fair.
You can also find numerous videos and materials that you can check out during the event or save to review later.
Pre-registration is required for this event.
You can register now at the USask Open House webpage to receive your login information.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram for updates.
Hope to see you guys at the USask Virtual Open House.